Check this out, this is the new XGT 40 volt max brushless laminate trimmer from Makita. With this trimmer, Makita took what was already great about the LXT 18 volt model and they built upon that. Side by side, you can see there's a bit more going on up the top. With the larger electronically controlled brushless motor, outputting 1,160 watts compared to the 18 volts 800 watt output. And you combine that with the higher max speed of 31,000 RPM, and you're removing a lot more material a lot faster, and that's especially noticeable in a high demand application. As you can see here, with both of them running the same 20mm bit at 12mm of depth, and the XGT is ploughing away, while the LXT, a great trimmer, is struggling a little and even engaging that overload protection, just cutting a couple of times on the way through that plough. Another great addition is the inclusion of AWS, so you can sync your trimmer with your AWS back. But outside of that, the variable speed change, the height adjustment, and even the bit change are all the same on both models. Now the bare tool comes with both the round and the square base plate, as well as a straight guide and a template guide as well. And you can also get this unit in a combo kit. That combo kit comes with the tilt base, but also the plunge base, which is super handy. And with the extra power of this trimmer, it doubles as a pretty decent router as well. And if you are getting the plunge base, it's worth checking out this additional accessory here, sold separately, which attaches your plunge router to your saw track. I like it, there's a lot to love about the new XGT 40 volt max laminate trimmer. Make sure you check it out at sydneytools.com.au where you can get all the specs. You can also order yours there as well, or you can talk to the team in store and you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.